the elevator at the Center Street ramp, Downtown Rochester. Schumacher. It's class. This is 3, okay? Blank button. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity. PT also has C's buttons, an 88 phone. It's a cool cab. Here we go down under into the subway system. Here at the subway. This is probably like right when Schumacher started using these buttons. Blank 4. Creepy. Here we go, let's look out the window. You can hear the selector really well. Here at 4. Weird 4 numbering. Back down to 3. Wonder what this was originally. I think Schumacher. Sounds like Monty, but this was installed by Wells Fargo. Here at 3. Oh yeah, definitely Monty. Alright. That'll be it.